Alright, so you've just been advised from your ISP that you need an MDF jumper. What is an MDF jumper? Come for a walk with me and I'll show you. Alright, so you've been contacted by your ISP and they've told you need that MDF jumper. You'll generally only need an MDF jumper if you live in a high-rise or a multi-dwelling unit complex. Alright, let's go for a walk and I'll show you an MDF. Alright, so we've just arrived at the MDF. Your ISP has called you and said they've connected your internet. This, the MDF, is generally where the responsibility of the ISP generally ends. But to be able to get your service from the MDF up to your building, into your socket, which allows you internet, you will need to call a private contractor like Mr. Telco with my trusty Chrome tool and wiring to do the MDF jumper. Alright, let's take a look inside the MDF. Okay, so as you can see, generally the MDFs are quite an ugly looking place, quite dirty, not a place you want to be on a Friday night. Your ISP will generally connect to your network side of the frame, which is here. What our job is to do is do a jumper across to your side of the frame, which we'll be showing you today, which is an MDF jumper. So once your ISP has connected your internet, they generally will place one of these tags on the MDF. So what we actually do with this wire, we jumper from the A side to the B side, which then allows you access to the internet. Okay, now let's close up the MDF and go inside, because it's a place you don't want to be on a Friday night. Okay, so I've briefly shown you an MDF jumper today. Alright, if you want to get connected by one of our licensed technicians, please visit mrtelco.com and I'll get one of our friendly technicians out there as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Have a great day.